Yeah, see here, question number 30. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 30 question, 30. There are three vertices, the 3 points are given here. And asking to show they are what kind of triangle, the forms. These are vertices of dash triangle. So first of all, we shall know that triangle properties, like we do have 6 triangles. No, can you say the 6 triangles?
Yes, sir.
According to sides and according to angles.
Yes,
So
sir.
first I will write according to sides, and then I will write according to angles. So tell me, according to sides, what are the sides? What are the triangles we have?
Equilateral, isosceles, and scalene triangles.
Isosceles and scalene triangle. Okay. And here, right angle, obtuse, acute.
Acute.
Okay. So we don't use these two. Probably we will move on these 4 triangles only. Why? Because in an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. So we will take A, B, C here. And we tell as AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. Suppose only 2 sides, any 2 sides are equal, that is isosceles. All are different. The lengths of sides are different. Scalene. And right angle triangle. When we say the given vertices are right angle triangle, do you know? Already we have discussed in trigonometry about right angle triangle. Did you remember or forgot?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me? Please tell me. About right angle triangle. Forgot?
Yes, no, so the hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square.
Okay, right. ABC I will take. Any 2 sides, sum of squares of 2 short side square is equal to long side square. The long one is nothing but hypotenuse. Okay, no? So likewise, we shall remember all these points now to proceed the question. Now our question is, there are 3 points are given. First one, A is 1, 1. B is minus 1, -1. C is minus √3, √3. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
In this, first draw a right angle triangle. Draw a triangle. Here 1, 1, minus 1, 1, minus √3, √3. So first thing what we have to do is just find 3 values: AB value, BC value, CA value you have to find. AB, how we will get? Distance formula. Okay. First AB I will find. A value is 1, 1. B value is minus 1, 1. This I will take as x1, y1. And this I will take as x2, y2. The formula under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. What is x1 here? X1.
1, sir.
X2.
-1.
So minus becomes plus, no? Y1.
Yes, sir.
Y1.
1, sir.
Y2.
1, -1.
So 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 square is 4. √4 is 2. AB over. Now I will do BC. Okay. B value. B value is minus 1, 1. C value is minus √3, √3. Same formula. like this. What is x1 here? Here I will write x1 y1. Small letters are x1 y1, x2 y2. What is x1? Can you please tell me?
-1.
-1. What is x2?
-1 becomes -1.
Plus root 3.
Plus e.
What is y1?
Minus
y1.
-1, sir.
Y2 root 3. But here we shall take a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square formula. We should not do directly. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Here first -1 square plus 2 into -1 into root 3 plus b square. That is first one. First bracket expanded. Now second bracket. 1 square minus 2 into 1 into root 3 plus root 3 square. It's all under root. Here this is cancel. Here this is cancel. -1 square is 1. Here -2 root 3. Here root 3. 1 -2 root 3. Here 3. Anything cancel, we will check. Nothing is cancelled. Here 1 plus 3, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. -2, -2, -4. Game like this. So keep it aside. Now last one, CA I will do. CA. C value is minus root 3, comma root 3. A value 1, comma 1. Take it as x1, y1 and x2, y2. The rule is same. x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. x1 value minus root 3 minus 1. Here I will do small change. Instead of CA, I will do AC. Both are same, no problem. Because all are coming minus minus like that. No x1, y1 will be changed. Anything we can take, no issues. 1 plus root 3 whole square. 1 minus root 3 whole square. You will get up above answer only, you will get. Here want a square 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Your root square cancel. Remaining 1 plus 2 root 3 plus 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 plus 3. Here plus 2 root 3 minus root 3 cancel. 1 plus 3 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Root 8 you got. Now one by one I am writing AB, BC, AC. AB value 2 you got, BC value under root 8 minus 4 root 3 got, AC value root 8 you got. So what kind of triangle it is? Avinash.
Scalar triangle.
All are different. Okay, now you understand the procedure, no? How to find? Yeah, please take screenshot. Take screenshot, no? AB, BC, CA, how to find? Okay.
Yes.
Now I'll open the question. (31). Okay, now can you do? Same. AB, BC, CA. Root is not there. Easy for you. Okay. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
Do and respond in chat box. When you take AB, A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2. When you take BC, B is x1, y1, C is x2, y2. When you do CA, C is x1, y1, A is x2, y2. Like that, we have to do.
Yes, sir. Sir. Sir.
Yeah, sure. I'll explain this one also. Don't worry. Okay, no. They can react with the water. When they react with the water, they can catch the fire also. They can catch water, fire. So that's what they are stored in the kerosene. Okay, production and they stored under the kerosene. Kerosene they stored. Okay. And yes, here. Can you please tell me the points?
Yes, sir. A is minus 3,2.
A minus 3 to
B 7,2.
B
7,2.
7 comma 2, C
2,9.
2 comma 9. First AB I will do. Okay.
Yes, sir.
A value minus 3 comma 2 is x1 y1. B value 7 comma 2 x2 y2. Formula under root x1 minus x2 whole square, like this. So x1 is minus 3, x2 is 7, y1 is 2, y2 is 2. This is minus 10 and 0. Minus 10 is 100. 100 value is 10. AB. Next BC. B value 7 comma 2. C value 2 comma 9. x1 y1, x2 y2. x1 7 minus 2 whole square, 2 minus 9 whole square. 7 minus 2 is 5, 2 minus 9 is minus 7. Minus 7, if you do square, you will get plus only. 35 plus 49, 74. Leave it off. Next to CA or AC, anything is correct. C value is 2, 9. A value is minus 3 comma 2. x1, y1, x2, y2. 2 plus 3 whole square plus 9 minus 2 whole square under root. This is 5. This is 7. 25 plus 49 is root 74. The two values you got equal. What kind of triangle it is?
Isosceles triangle.
Okay, understand now?
So your A value is 10, sir.
A value? AB value 10.
A value
10 no, root 74, root 74. Okay, no? Okay, now. Can you do now?
Yes, sir. For 1 minute, so I am noting.
Wait. I'll show you. Okay.
So can you write that 25 plus 49 under root is 5 square plus 7 square, sir?
Oh, 5 squares, but multiplication not, no, that is into, no. This is addition, no? Yeah. 5 square is 25.
Okay.
Addition means we can't cancel the root. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Can you do 32? Here 1 by 2 is there. Can you do or not? Can you? Anas, Akans. 32, can you do?
I will try, sir.
1 by 2, just subtraction only. Cross multiplication, you know, no.
Yes, sir.
Try it.
Sir,
Yeah.
I said,
What is the answer you got?
isosceles.
Isocels, 2 equal. Isocels not there an option.
Oh, sir.
Maybe how much you got?
AB, sir. 9 by 2, sir.
1 minute. Your A value 1 minus 1. B value I'm doing directly, okay. C value 1 comma 2. AB I'm writing direct answer. 1 plus of 3 by 2. 9 by 4 plus 9 by 4 will come. You will get 18 by 4. 18 by 4 is 9 by 2. 3 by root 2 I got. Correct now? What do you got, AB?
Root 9 by 2, sir.
Okay, root 9 by 2. Okay, leave it like this. BC 9 by 4. 1 by 2 minus 2. 1 minus 4 by 4 minus 3 by 4. 9 by 16 you will get. 9 by 16 only that. 2 minus 4.
9 by
This is
16.
2. 9 by 4 only.
9 by 4 only I got, sir.
Yeah, correct. This is also root 9 by 2, no? Root 9 by 2. No, not like this. I will write again. This cancellation 9 by 2. So root 9 by root 2. Root of 9 by 2. Okay. This is also root of 9 by 2. CA 1 minus 1 0 plus 3. The 3 square value how much? 9. Root 9. So root 9 by 2, root 9 by 2, root 9. So that you said like that. But options are right angle isosceles is given. Right angle also will check. We will do square of these two. These two squares I will do. What I will get, I will check. Root 9 by 2 whole square plus root 9 by 2 whole square is equal to 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2 is equal to 18 by 2 is equal to 9. If you do this square, you will get 9. Okay, now? So right angle isosceles this is. Right angle isosceles, option B. Okay. Okay, now. Next. Third one, you do homework. Take screenshot 33. And 33, okay, now? Took screenshot.
Taking 7.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
And 34 lies on x-axis. Lies on x-axis means y should be 0. No.
Yes,
Lies on y-axis, correct. Lies on y-axis, no. Lies on x-axis, yes, correct. X-axis means y value 0. Y-axis means x value 0. Distance formula, this is correct. This is also correct. Distance of the point from x-axis. From x-axis means y is the answer. What is the y number here? Y coordinate?
Yes, sir.
Y-axis means x is the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you have to know answer this one. You have to spend it beyond it is better what I explained. It is clear to you. So this is beyond. Okay.
This match the following two ones. Try.
Level 2. Okay. But it is easy. Okay. Don't worry. Now.
Match the following. This one 47 you see one. So -3, 2 here will come. -3, -2 here will come. On either side of
X-axis. Negative x-axis.
okay. Next 48.
Very good. Think God thinks is a metal. Iodine is not metal. Sulfur is not metal. Food is also not metal. So zinc is a metal. Metal has a okay magnetic property. Yes or no? Very good. Oh, you said all the three answers. Don't be said here in the second. All answers. Oh, very good point. Okay.
48 parallel to y-axis, sir. A line
The
parallel to
2
y-axis.
points having the 2 points having the same abscissa but different ordinates lie on. Same abscissa and same x. Suppose 2, 3, 2, 5. Where they will be? 2, 3. Here 2, 3 come.
Parallel to
2.
y-axis.
Parallel to y-axis. Yes. Next.
Have different objects but same ordinate. Parallel to
Parallel to x. Okay. Coordinate of the image of the point with respect to origin. Origin in the sense negative we have to take. This is yes. Now just now we found AB, BC, CA. No. Perimeter means what is the formula for perimeter of a triangle? Generally. Perimeter means in general.
sum of all sides.
So you should add this 3 for this sum. You should add AB, you should find this A, this is B, this is C. Add all these 3 values. Okay.
Okay.
Please do 51 now. 52nd I will tell.
Yes.
Or did you get AB value? How much you got?
18 I got, sir.
18 now.
Not this option.
18 no. No. AB value, tell me. AB value.
AB, sir.
Hmm.
4, sir.
BC?
9, sir.
BC 9 not. Root 9. 3.
Root 9, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
CA?
CS, I, sir.
12 come. Okay now?
Yes, sir.
50 second I will do on the board. First we shall find the distance between these 2 points and we
Yes,
shall
sir.
equate to the 5. We will get the answer. I will do on the board. Wait.
Yes.
Distance between 4 comma y and 1 comma 0 is 5. So x1 y1 x2 y2. 4 minus 1 whole square y minus 0 whole square is equal to 5. 4 minus 1 is 3, y minus 0 is y. 9 plus y square is equal to 5. So I don't want root here. I will take squaring on both sides. Here square root cancel. 9 plus y square is equal to 25. Y square is equal to 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. Y is equal to under root 16. You will get plus or minus 4. So here an option plus or minus 4 is given. You can take plus or minus 4. Okay, like this. Okay, now. Same question I will show you. See, you do like homework. 53rd. Okay, take screenshot. Okay, yeah, 53rd and up one sum I gave. Up what I gave, something, one question I gave to you today. Another question I gave, no?
Yes.
33.
33, yes, sir.
So tomorrow, next class, I will say another formula. This is all 10th class, next level math only. Okay. Okay, now?
Okay, sir.
Then I'm ending the class here.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right.